In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install apps on a Dell laptop or desktop computer. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but there's a few methods to do this. The first method is through the developer's website. So go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome for this, but you could really use whatever you'd like. But essentially in the browser, go ahead and type in the name of the app you want. For example, you could go ahead and download something like Steam, or actually let's do Epic Games for this one, right? Search up epicgames.com, right? Find the download option on here, select it, and then it's going to download an installer, which you can go ahead and select and install the game or app directly from that. It really is as simple as that. But you can also go ahead and download apps through the Microsoft Store. So go ahead and just search for Microsoft Store down at the very bottom, select it to open it up, and then on the left-hand side, you're going to see an app section, gaming section, or if there's a specific app that you want, for example, we could go ahead and type in Spotify, even though it's right here as well. You could select it and hit install directly from here, and it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.